Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of Retrospect. Today we're going to talk about confirmation of the crypto summer and the meme coin surge and IPOs taking off. The Peter Thiel backed crypto firm Bullish seems to be having an initial public offering on the New York Stock Exchange later this month. It's got 6 times more investors trying to get in than can be accepted, and that's a sign that crypto mania is continuing. And this comes after Galaxy Digital expanding its listing to the Nasdaq in May, eToro going public, and so did fintech giant Circle. We've got BitGo, Grayscale, Kraken, OKX, and Gemini, which are in the process of listing on a US exchange later this year. And then let's not forget those companies like Bitmine, Marathon Digital Holdings, and even GameStop embracing a digital asset treasury, and they're holding Bitcoin and Ethereum on their balance sheets. And initially, crypto companies were holding back so much because of regulatory issues, but now the regulatory side of things have gone from extremely difficult to quite supportive. And with all of this, the competition for investor capital in crypto-related investments will intensify. Then we cannot exclude the meme coin mania when we ask ourselves whether this is a crypto summer or not. We'll talk about the 6 top meme coins that crypto whales are accumulating right now. You got LILPEPE, which is I think in stage 10 at 0.0019. Last time I checked their website, they've raised about $17 million, which is staggering. Next one is Pudgy Penguins. This is one to watch. Whales were buying the dip at 0.035. I see it's nearing 4 cents today, and it seems that the whales are banking on PENGU breaking out of its range and retesting previous highs. Then we got SPX 6900. It had a cup and handle breakout pattern with a neckline at 174. I saw it's currently 191. Projecting at a price of $2.88 in the long term. Then you got the king of all meme coins, Dogecoin. After falling 8% from 22 cents on July 31st, crypto whales seized the opportunity to load up. Over 310 million Doge were accumulated by large wallets during the panic sell-off, and trading volume has spiked to 1.25 billion Doge, triple the daily average. And BitOrigin's $40 million Doge Treasury edition as part of a $500 million diversification plan only adds to Doge's bullish backdrop. I see today it's just over 23 cents, which is a bit of a stubborn resistance. Then you got Shiba Inu. One notable thing there is that there's rising trading volume up to 90% plus to $130 million, and a surge in microtransactions up 195 to 200% week over week. This suggests that accumulation is in full swing. And then you've got the Doge of Solana, which is BONK. Open interest in BONK futures jumped 11.5% in early July, and daily volume exceeded $120 million, and this indicates intense short-term speculation. All of this suggests that meme coin frenzy is not too far away, and you know what that means. That's usually a precursor to a crazy altcoin season. And lastly, we'll talk about Project Crypto, which is the SEC's push to modernize digital asset oversight. And this is an SEC project that aims to bring blockchain technology into US financial markets and update security rules for the digital age. And in a response to the 160-page report by the President's Working Group on Digital Asset Markets, the America First Policy Institute's event called American Leadership in the Digital Finance Revolution revealed the initiative. The main goals were making asset classifications clear to tell if a cryptocurrency is a security, a commodity, or something else, updating the rules for securities. The SEC is changing the laws to make tokenization easier, improving decentralized finance. Project Crypto wants to bring decentralized systems into traditional markets without impeding innovation by making it easier for DeFi platforms to work within regulated frameworks. They want to streamline licensing so that a single licensing system can serve super apps offering trading, staking, lending, and payments all under the same set of rules. And they want to increase market transparency. The CFTC's concentration on overseeing the spot market and physically settled contracts is meant to increase liquidity and lower basis risk, which is suitable for both institutional and retail investors. So I mean, all of this affected the crypto markets over the last week. We saw the prices increase. Guys, like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you think that crypto summer is finally here. See you in the next one.